Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer, and welcome in this new studio vlog. This week, follow me illustrating a new tiny Polaroid style postcard drawing. I'm trying linocut printing new techniques and receiving my order on Smokey's online shop. We finally had some snow! All the friends was getting some and I was so envious. And we finally get some. It stayed only for one day and then everything was gone, but I was super happy about it. So to begin this studio vlog, I continued my Polaroid style series with a new tiny plant illustration. I love using Posca, as you probably noticed. I love them because they have some vibrant acrylic colors and it's quite easy to obtain some really nice flat colors, and the pen format is way more easy to use than the brushes for me. The only downside that I can see is that they're super expensive and that you can't refill them. Recently, one of my friends showed me the Molotov markers that you can fill yourself, and I'm super excited to try them out. This week I also ordered some gorgeous cuties on Smokey shop. I ordered her an amazing original linocut printing and her handmade clay pins. I love them, they're so beautiful. I also love her business card, it reminds me that I have to do one for myself too. If you want to decorate or to offer some art, remember to shop small. It's often way less expensive than you can think, and you're participating to finance small artists. When you're buying from a large company, they often underpay their artists or even steal some designs. If you're shopping small, you're being able to adopt some really beautiful and unique pieces, and there is some originals or prints for any kind of budget. I'm often buying some linocut printings because I'm fascinated with linocut printing, and it's also my turn to create some. 2 weeks ago I tried my first linocut printing and I loved that. It was super satisfying to be able to create a design and to print it. This time I was even more excited because it was the first time I tried colored inks. I wanted to create a shading for this new design with a lot of surface covered by ink, so I chose a bunch of shells and sea items to create an A5 print. I think that the shading would work really well on a crystal design too, maybe for the next time. So to begin, I mixed my ink to obtain the color that I wanted, but I couldn't reach the purple that I wanted. So I mostly stuck to pink, yellow and orangey colors, and I love the result. I tried to create a shading from top to bottom, but it was too complicated because I haven't the right size of roller. So I did a shading from right to left. It was way more adapted. The linocut printing ink is super sticky, so it's not easy to work with. And I'm still learning how to apply the right amount of paint. It's so satisfying because you can try and retry the amount of time you want, and your original design isn't getting some permanent changes because it's a stamp. I've ruined a lot of painting because of bad colors, and there I can do as many tests as I want. I couldn't stop doing some print, it was super fun. I did some corrections to my stamp and removed the little lines around the designs, and I did another batch of printing. And this is the end for this week's studio vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!